Morning, everybody. Driving around the park here in Newport. It's called Whalers Rest, Thousand Trails camp area. Anyway, I'm just driving around the campsite just to give you an idea of the campground and their campsites. It's a pretty nice campground, really, and it's close to the town of Newport, 6 miles. And there's a lot of beaches, a lot of sightseeing stuff to going on. Whale watching. We've hit just about every beach on the coast here. So it's been quite an experience this year on the Oregon coast that we're doing here. We're going to be leaving here in a few more days, but I just wanted to show you this campground. So far we enjoyed it. It, like all the campgrounds, it needs some work, but you know, that's with any of them I'm starting to see, so it's not a big deal. They keep it clean. All the restrooms are clean. The pool area is clean. They have guys coming in and doing yard work at each campsite after you leave and cleaning it up and everything, so that's a real nice thing. They make sure everything's nice and neat, so the next person comes in, it's all, you know, the grasses and the weeds are all pulled up. So it is nice. Here's the one bathroom. The thing I gotta say about this place, there's not enough restrooms and showers closer to the to your campsites. It's quite of a hike to go up to the showers and the restrooms from your campsite here at this one. If you need to be by the restroom and everything, you need to maybe think about that when you come to this campground. They got the showers and the toilets up in the pool room, the pool area, the indoor pool. It's nice and heated. I like that, and the hot tub was really nice too. It was not that hot like the other one was. This one was pretty nice, but they only have 2 showers, the one up front and the one in the very back there, and that's it. So I'm gonna think that, you know, they should put some more restrooms in and showers. I'm going to go over to the other side here. There's a north side and a south side to this side. This side is the south side, which is a lot more crowded and a lot more kids and a lot more for the kids to do with their families. Other than, I have to punch in the code here. Other on this side, if I came back, I would probably pick this other side. See what happens here. It says, I don't know what to do here. I guess go straight. Anyway, this is the other side. This is north side. I have not been over here yet, so this will be the first time for me. Maybe it's set up a little different. I could see it has the cabins. There's the bathrooms and showers right there. Like a little clubhouse. See over there? Let's see if I can get that. Yeah, there we go. That's one shower and bathrooms in there. I have not been inside. Maybe I'll go inside later. These are the cabins. Got a little putt-putt golf over there. Yeah, so looks like they're doing some work in there. That's good. More gravel in here, but I don't think it's as much traffic as at the other place that I'm at. So And these roads are all one way in and one way out, so it's not like the one in Pacific City where it's really tight. This one, a lot of gravel though. Not bad sites. Some of these, I was told, no wait, no, this one all has full hookups everywhere. Sewer, everything, so 50 amp. The whole 9 yards. I think this side isn't as nice as the other side, but it's more quieter. I see Frisbee Golf right there. Frisbee Golf, they got a little porta potty out there. There's a Frisbee Golf out there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm kind of like this side better in a way, just because it's more rustic. Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, you get the idea. This is a pretty nice little park. This side's not as congested as the other side that we're on, but I do like it. If I was to come back, I'd probably pick this side. But then again, I only saw one bathroom on this side. I have not seen two yet. So that's a negative, unless it's up on that one, which I didn't go up that one, so I don't see one up there. I think they only have one restroom over here on this side. It's right up here at this clubhouse. All right, well, I'll go back into my campsite. These are the showers that we have here at this campground. Yeah. Anyway, they're nice and clean. Not bad. And then they also have the dump station right there. Easy pull up. Easy to pull up to and dump. It's not bad. They also have the propane here for filling up certain hours, of course, but that's easy to get to also. Just a short walk from my campsite, which was about 150 yards, you could walk down to the ocean. You have to cross the freeway there, but that's not that bad. But what a beautiful little trail that goes from the park over to the ocean. And coming back, this is coming back from the ocean right here. Nice little quiet trail, never crowded. And at the end of this trail, just off to the left, is our campsite. I did take the drone up from our campsite straight up as I did at the Pacific City one, and you'll see here how spread out this little campground is, and how short of a walk it is to the ocean. What a beautiful sight it is up there. That ocean was such a nice little clean, wide, not crowded at all. Any time of the day you go out there, it's never hardly anybody there. But anyway, I would go back to this campground in a heartbeat also. I would probably go on the north side if I went back. It's a little bit more quieter, not as much traffic. And the walk over to the indoor pool isn't that far. It's very close. You can just walk there, same as anywhere else in the park. The only drawback was the bathrooms I saw, but you know, if you have all the hookups and you have everything, that's not no big deal. And the town, Newport, was only 6 miles to the Walmart. They have a Fred Meyer's, Walmart. They have a Napa Auto Parts store. They got quite a bit going on in that little town too. So a lot of good places to eat. There's our campsite. We really enjoyed it. We stayed a little over a week here. If you ever go by, Whalers Rest Resort is a great park. Here's a map of all the spots. There's the game room up at the clubhouse on the side that I was in. I didn't go in the clubhouse on the other side. Miniature golf. That pool is really nice and warm, about 70 or so, I guess. The hot tub was really nice. I spent a lot of time in that one. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.